Have not kept up, you don't know what the hell's going on. I'm coding an app uh, to create on-screen overlays, text overlays. I'll demonstrate what it looks like. Just a second. Be forewarned, I'm not great at streaming and I'm learning. I just got started, so channel's a bit rustic. If you're following along, awesome. Super experienced developer, an incredible amount of bad habits, and that's why I'm taking this on. Why we are here today, improving, learning. If you want to tag along and you're maybe want to laugh with me at my brain lapses, tag along. So right now we got an app up. It's using Vue. We're using Electron to generate. What is wrong with this thing? Just a second here. Let me fix this real quick. My gosh. I don't know why my terminal's rendering like this. There we go. Man. All right. Now we got that. It's working as expected. Sorry about that. So I don't want to really give you a breakdown of the app. Just follow along if you're interested. It's late and I don't want to waste time going over it. Basically, I type my messages here and they render in other views. There's two more views. There's a chat view and there's a banner view. Chat would render somewhere near my photo here, around my photo here, you know. Banner view would render like here as a title for the page. So we can toggle back and forth. Banner, chat, banner, chat. Type the message in, hit send, and the message shows up in the banner view. I think, are we running Electron? We're not running Electron. So we'll demo that in a bit. Let's just keep. Previously, I wrote the major components. I wrote them together in the same view. I'm separating them right now. So right now, I'm separating the controls from the chat view. So right now, I'm just going through home view, which maybe I should rename control view or something. Just getting rid of some of our unnecessary code here. debating where we should play these sounds. Let me get rid of them. My JavaScript is full of side effects. I need to improve. It's been that way forever. Got started coding C++ back in 1999. I'm not kidding. In high school. And it's how we handle things. And it's where my brain's been most of the time. Like, you're saying, wow, dude, your brain's in 1999. Like, your brain isn't in 1999, but that's where I got my formation from in C++. And it's probably with me today. I think in a very procedural way. So there's been a lot of changes in patterns and code aesthetics that I've ignored. And so we will touch on them in the coming months as I stream more, maybe address some of these faults. I shouldn't call them faults, because coding is really, there's more than just 80 different ways to skin a cat. But really, there are alternative methods to doing things that are less prone to bugs. So we will look to improve all these things. I am fully aware of where I have deficiencies. I'll be trying to address them, so bear with me. Technically, all right, so Something we want to do really quickly is oh Lord, my arm hurts. Wonder if that's a message. Go to bed. Let me show you the app real quick. So this is the app we're rendering. And now on screen, I'm surprised you're not seeing anything on screen. Okay, I understand what's going on. Let me send a banner message, and you'll see a banner message. I'm gonna use the app to send a banner message here. I'm gonna send it over to the screen. And now on screen you should be seeing a banner rendered on screen there in the center, left. Not center, but on the left hand side, bottom. And so that's kind of what we're working on. A way to do that programmatically while we're streaming. I'm pretty sure there's apps that do these kind of things. I'm not paying for them. We're going to make them. Why not? The whole point of the channel is to code. So that's one excuse right there to code. Why not? So we have send message to banner, send message, initiate reset. This is really just a counter that counts down really the chatter. So basically this resets the chats, and this resets the banner. Banner reset's not complete yet, but these things, I think these functions need to move to they need to move to the state. And I'm not sure if I should keep them here or move them to state. I know what the best practices probably say. Move them over to the state as a mutation. I'm new to Pina. I'm new to Pina, so haven't really dabbled much in it. So we'll just make do with however we can figure it out. And then off screen, I'll look at best practices and come back with the best way to do things. I'll just do a rough draft first. So let's head over to the store. Is it store? No, it's... Yeah. Okay, so we got the banner message, the input text, typing. Input text typing, message type. Message type is a local variable. Typing is not. So typing needs to come from the store. Store.banner message. Okay. We'll handle the state from here, just for now. And if we have to move the state mutations over to the state file, then we will. But for now, we got input text. This needs to be store.input. What am I doing? And messages. Oh, wait a minute. Why does input text even matter to yeah, this is wrong. This input text doesn't matter to it's messages. And everything I just did with the store input text, it's not real. Input text is a local variable. Messages is an array, store array. I gotta find messages. Okay, so messages. Right. Okay. Makes a lot of sense. I'll need to probably move some of these functions over to the store. I'm already seeing, I'm assuming there's going to be situations where I need to change the state from the other views, directly from the other views. So we'll have to obviously move that to the store. That way I don't have like state changing functionality all over the place. Excuse me. Damn. I don't know why my headphones are, I think it's my sinuses are acting up. Headphones are like bothering my, like this area right here. It's gotta be my sinuses. Okay. Typing is also a damn. I could do a search for typing and do a replace all, right? I'd rather manually do it so I can take a look at it. Excuse me. Line 55. Oh. Oh. Roger. What? Doing? I just want to see something real quick. Matter of fact, I fucked up. Interesting. What that? We have no state, nothing touching it here within this excellent. All right, so now we go to the top here. Is typing. Determined by the other window. No longer by. So if I go to the store and set typing to true, this, of course, renders as as true as only typing. It's what I want. The whole input area needs to go here. Oh Lord. Face hurts. Sinuses are acting up. Never mind. It's already got everything. Okay. It's gone. Boom. I don't know. Will this work? Ah, I understand. There. That's the actual real size, I believe, or close to it. Excuse me. Messages does not come from here, buddy. Messages should come from store that message. Oh. We can probably test this real quick. Why is typing still true? Okay, like it's working. Let me see something real quick. Huh? Why isn't this thing there? Okay, thank you. Oh man, what the heck? I don't know why Windows does this to me. Says fucking who? You goofball. Awesome. Uh, hmm. Wonder, wonder what that's all about. Now it's not working. Even is working. If I blur away, come back and type some more, send it over. Next message. Counter starts counting down. When that counter reaches 0, it should clear the messages. Boom. Awesome. Yeah. Now you ask, what the heck? Why am I doing this? We could talk a little bit about that. So we got 3 screens, right? But I don't care about this screen on the right. I don't care about this. You as the viewer care. These messages are for you, not for me. So I'm typing these messages. I don't really care to see the animation or care to see them really pop up on screen for me. Really, I want to control them, but I don't want to necessarily, I don't need to see them. I can see them in my streaming software. I can see them on screen there. I don't need to see yet another window with those messages. So the idea being, when this app runs, it'll render 3 screens, a total of 3 different windows, a control window, a banner window, and a message window. And the messages in the banner, I can just minimize them. I can put them off somewhere else on my monitors, away, underneath anything else. I really don't care. What I really care for is the control window, which is a small window that I can put on my streaming screen, the screen I handle the streaming from, and manage my messages and the banners from there. So that's the gist of it. We actually can, let's test the banner real quick, make sure we know that's working. What isn't working is the reset, though, the banner reset. Let's get that working real quick. So banner reset. When it's down to 0, we need to say something like 4 dot banner. Yeah, that'll clear that'll clear it. Excuse me. Banner reset count. $20. What? Chatter interval? No, we shouldn't be using chatter interval. It should be banner interval, no? Yes. Let's reset our interval. And I think that's it pretty much. Matter of fact, that first. Okay. So we can test sending over a. Why the hell is this still counting down? There's our banner. We sent it over. It starts to count down. I think I know what's going on. When we start typing, it immediately starts a countdown. Oh, this countdown never stops? I thought we cleared it. Oh, we never cleared it. We never did clear I forgot what it's called, clear interval, yeah. The first thing we need to do. Do that, clear that, but then also when typing. When we do a key press, what the hell? Why? Excuse me. I think it'll work now. Oh, vanished early? Or I sent over garbage or something? What? Oh, I don't know what the heck is going on. Banner reset counter. It's 20 when we start. When it reaches 10, when it reaches like 10, it clears it. It's odd. No, let me put less than 0. I don't freaking know. Oops. All right, I'll take it. All right, so that's working as expected. This thing is not working as expected for some reason. I think on render it initiates reset because it expects messages to be present. Matter of fact, I don't mind if we do ever send default messages. Fuck it, clear them in 20 seconds. I think we're getting ready to call it here, boys. My face is still hurting. Let's get the Electron up, set up, and call it. Again. Okay. We got 5173. Window. Oh, well, yeah. That'll do it. I guess that's what was wrong with it. All right, my boys. We got all three screens up. Let's resize them real quick, because right now they're too big. I can't even show them to you. They're so big. That's what she said. Actually, on screen, you're seeing the control screen, which is one I'm not really interested in showing you. But let's make sure we've got proper sizing here. Control window should only be 150 pixels in height, I believe, or something like that. So it's 170. And this one now, we can probably cut it down to like 400 or, yeah, 400. All right, let's test that. Control window's way too short. Not way too short, but really we just need a, yeah, that ought to do it. Also, the chat window is too short. I'll show them to you shortly, okay? And then dang. You understand pretty much everything that I'm doing if you just now went into this. All right, perfect. We're set up. So we got one screen here. That's the chat window. This is the banner window. And you'll get to see part of the control, not all of it, but you're familiar with this. So you should be familiar with what I'm getting ready to do. Kinda. What the heck is happening? Banner window got freaking massive all of a sudden. Oh, nice. What's let's I don't know. Let's re-render that. Let's bring it in first. Motherfucker got mad. Wasn't happy with us. Control window. Chat window. Only partially. No. And control. So Hey there. Thanks. Send that to the screen. Boom. Right? Send it to the screen. Send over a banner. A video of me acting like I can code. And it's a banner, as you can see. Awesome, right? In any case, that's it. Let's put it on screen using OBS now, and you'll be able to truly appreciate how it'll work, or close to how it'll work. Bear with me. Right. So I'm going to start manipulating the screens on OBS now. Just a second here, guys. I'm going to change this one. Overlays chat. Excellent. Okay. Let's send over some messages real quick. Bro, that's freaking working flawless. I don't even gotta freaking move it. Wow. You for real? That's incredible. Let me... Awesome. All right. So you're seeing how my vision, how it'll work. And matter of fact, should be able to send over yeah, good banner now. Of course, we'll tweak the animations, we'll tweak some other things, but now the added benefit is I've got this control screen that I can manipulate as part of my streaming software, and it's so small, right, that I don't mind having it. I could even make it smaller. That's a potential thing I might do. Don't really know if I will, but I could. So I don't know what your thoughts are, but that was the that's the goal here, and I'm pretty close to that goal now. We have a working chat and a working banner. Yeah, it ain't pretty to look at, the banner in particular. I need to tweak that banner. But we will we'll work on that next time.